Hey everyone, hope everything is going well. I wanted to do a video today on Bitcoin and my predictions for the 2024 year. 2024, as I've said, my own opinion, don't do anything that I'm saying. Talk to your financial advisor. This is just my own thoughts, and I like doing these videos. Anyways, I wanted to touch base on Bitcoin, and I've been following Bitcoin a little more closely once the price got hammered over a year and a half ago. And I'm thinking, hey, look, this seems to be an opportunity. Rates are going higher. Now, rates, it appears, are going to go lower. And the Fed funds futures have indicated that. Now, I'm just thinking, hey, yeah, it seems that there are economic headwinds coming ahead in the next year. Maybe not the first half of the year. Cycles show that it should be strong, but later half of the year, it doesn't look too bright for me. And early part of next year as well, it does not look too hot. What does that mean in terms of crypto and other alternative assets? In the short run, this is my prediction. Short run, I expect a spike up in Bitcoin. And once again, don't do anything that I'm saying. It's just my own opinion. Listen to everyone and make your own decision on your own or with the financial advisor. Okay. I believe it's going to go substantially higher. But second half of the year is going to be the meltdown. So it's going to be, in my opinion, a melt up phase first half, meltdown second half. And my own reasoning behind that is because the economy seems to be having issues underneath the surface. Now, some people would be like, hey, man, GDP came out strong. You have a stock market that's strong. A lot of people that watch the mainstream news are going to tell you that. Be like, my account is up. You've been talking about this for a while. My response is, yeah, my account is up as well. I anticipated, go back to my videos from over a year ago. I was saying, hey, look, it's bullish activity going on. However, I've always said, like in my sports card channel, 2024 is the year that we should watch out for. Now I have more evidence pointing that there are structural problems. For instance, number one, talking about this all the time, inverted yield curve. That's a red flag. I'm going to talk about this in another video too, is the GDI versus GDP. There's a discrepancy now in that. GDI is showing slow growth and most likely recessionary situation in the coming quarters ahead. GDP says a different story. GDI is something that we should look at. Once again, I'm going to talk about that in a different video. Even money supply isn't increasing to the rate that I would like to see. So all of these factors coming in, recession, right? In a recession, everything's going to get hammered, maybe except the US dollar index. That will probably rise up. And, the cash in your portfolio, maybe bonds, will do well. But a lot of other items are not going to do so hot. Okay? Last thing I want to get at is this chart that I created, took the data online, looked at the 5-year tips, one of my favorite indicators, versus the price of Bitcoin. Now, it's not the strongest correlation that I saw it, and I used a Pearson correlation test. I did that in Excel, and I found a correlation with the Pearson model, like 72% correlated. 5-year tips versus the price of Bitcoin. Ultimately, I still believe that lower interest rates, like the 5-year, the 10-year, will cause people to shift their assets from, you could say, cash, and they're going to, in my opinion, they're going to go into other assets, riskier assets. From a trading perspective, sophisticated money is going to do that, and then you're going to get the dumb money pumping up the price of Bitcoin. But ultimately, people don't understand why Bitcoin is going higher. They don't see the intermarket relationships and why. And ultimately, lower interest rates in the short run should pop up Bitcoin, and that's what I'm looking at. I'm going to take a close eye on it. As long as the economy is still growing, the S&P is still in a bull market. Yeah, corrections are obviously there. I expect Bitcoin to make all-time highs. Once again, my own opinion, could be wrong. And I expect a meltdown actually in Bitcoin later this year. So it's a tale of two cities. Anyways, I wanted to hear your opinion, and I'll talk to you later. See you. Bye.